Good day friends, welcome back to Smart Bucket. In today's video, we are going to be looking at this problem which says 2 to the power of x raised to the power of 1 over 2, right? All cubed divided by 4x squared. The question asks us to what? Simplify. And that's what we'll be doing. So, let's go ahead and simplify. The first thing to this problem is that we have to focus on the numerator first. So we will write the question, say 2x 1 over 2 to the power of 3 divided by 4x squared. So if we focus on the numerator, we can break this down as saying what? 2 to the power of 3 times x is to the power of 1 over 2 to the power of 3, then divided by 4x squared. So we can proceed in saying what? 2 to the power of 3 is same thing as 8 times, and now according to indices, whenever we have x to the power of m to the power times n is same thing as x to the power of mn. So we apply that to this, right? So we end up having x to the power of 3 over 2, now all divided by 4x squared. So now as we can see, we can cancel some number out. 4 goes here 1, 4 goes here 2, right? So we end up having 2x 3 over 2 divided by x squared. Now the last indices rule we need to apply here is whenever we have x to the power of m divided by x to the power of n, it is the same thing as x to the power of m minus n. So let's apply that to here. So we end up having 2 to the power of x 3 over 2, 3 over 2 minus 2. So therefore, we can say that 2x 3 over 2 minus 2 over 1. So if we simplify this fraction, we end up having over 2 minus 1. According to one of the shortcuts we explained in one of our short video on how to solve fraction, what we just need to do is take this and this. That will become what? 2. Then we have 3 by 1, you cross, we have 3 minus 4, you cross this 1. So we end up having negative 1 over 2. So all we just need to do is substitute that. So we have 2 to the power of x is to the power of 1 over 2, right? So we can also simplify this as what? 2 over x to the power of 1 over 2 due to the negative sign. So it becomes fraction, right? So you take it downward. So here's the value for it. Hope the concept is clear. Goodbye.